Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. I am Dr. Basab Tambe, Assistant Professor in KTHM College Nasik in Geography Department. In last lecture, we studied about the types of rural settlement and we studied about the four types of rural settlement. Those are cluster settlement, semi-cluster settlement, hamlet settlement, and last one dispersed settlement. Today's lecture we will study the pattern of rural settlement. First one, square settlement. The squares pattern is the later stage of the linear pattern. A square shaped village developed as an intersection of roads and a cart trace as settlement occur simultaneously in all the four quarters. A square shaped village often turn into the rectangular shape. Such villages are found in the plain agricultural region. They have strong agglomeration and sometimes villages are protected by walls. The entire village is divided into small square of houses occupies the people of different castes. In the study area, 52 settlement in this in different region there are different settlements are have in square pattern in village. In example of village pattern are Shamgaon or Buddha. Hollow square pattern. Hollow square pattern is similar to the square village pattern except of the hollow or unbuilt space in the middle of narrow hollow pattern settlement. Open space occurs at the center due to the presence of tank, playground and public space. In India, Khandapur and Almailaha is the typical example of the types of square pattern. In this village, there is the temple at the center and some open space in is found close to the center of the village. Square and hollow square pattern settlement are found in level plain areas where agriculture is practiced. Agriculture fields are mostly square or rectangular. Therefore, in such areas, village pattern are square or rectangular. Circular pattern. Circular pattern village are observed. You can observe in everywhere, mostly in Rajasthan. This village pattern result because of concentration of house, purpose of defense, and easy of accessibility, etc. Around a central point of the village, rich people built their houses close to the center of the village. In Rajasthan, there are some villages are located as a circular pattern, triangular pattern. In delta region, mostly in delta region, there is confluence of two rivers or two roads. there will be developed triangular pattern. Such village develops in the frock of streams where the shape of the field is triangular. This sort of site is also perfect of defensive point of views. There are some examples, some local examples are there. Topography also plays important role of the formation of the such village pattern. Hollow rectangular. Hollow rectangular pattern is the similar to the rectangular pattern except for the hollow space in the middle of hollow settlement. Kasarkheda and Bhopal is the typical example of hollow rectangular pattern. Irregular pattern is the most common pattern found in the region. In this pattern of irregular shape, the road are curvilinear and the final form of settlement irregular. Most of village have irregular pattern are of the dispersed type. A regular pattern. The regular pattern is the most common pattern found in the region. In of regular shape the road. Most of the villages having a regular pattern are the type in Libala Dau settlement are this type. Features such as river, road, tank, undulating topography also contribute towards development of a regular pattern. In Sahyadri mountain, there is also some important settlement, rural settlement, as rural pattern. Then bird leg pattern. This bird leg pattern is the most common found in the region. In a bird leg shape, the road are curvilinear and the final form of bird leg. Most of the village having bird leg pattern are the type Gadwad settlement are of this type. In more than two rivers are when meet in each others, or more than 2-3 roads are when meet in each others in specific point, there will be developed bird leg pattern. Features such as river, road, tank, undulating topography also contribute towards development of bird leg pattern. Double nucleation. The twin village is the group of two settlement units grown up simultaneously on one after another at a place. This village occupies similar topography site, but their revenue and administrative record are bird leg patterns separate. Physically, they are separated by the natural obstacle like nala or river. The best example of such type is Kitti Adgaon and newly settled Adgaon settlement located along the same road, but on their bank of river it is Nala. In Sinnar Taluka, There are two villages, Khopri Budruk and Khopri Khurdruk. These are in because of the one nala. They are divided into two parts, but similarly develop those villages. Linear pattern is the most common pattern form of the rural settlement found in the various physical and cultural conditions. Normally, such patterns develop along the river, road, and nalas on hill terrace. The influence of site apart in the development of this pattern. Haranganga Khurd and Kuntegaon settlement Sare furnish good example of linear village pattern. Fan pattern. The fan pattern rarely occur in the region. Such villages have have been developed near some focal point like temple ghat and the bank of river. This feature attract habitation in several directions for following the convenient system of road, lanes, lawns of footpath coverage on so point due to convergence of lanes or footpath of the focal point to avoid imminence. The settlement assumed the shape of fan. The dwelling developed along the car terrace, car track and lanes. Bhakli is the typical example of this type. The main settlement resemble a fan pattern. Amorphous pattern. This pattern form a village is found in the are areas where several wadi and farms stand. Observe scatter or connected by the car tract. Such irregular pattern is known as amorphous pattern in the village. In this way, there are another one important pattern is L-shaped pattern. These types of pattern T shape, L shape, some capital letter in English. Along the road, sometime two rectangular blocks of houses meet at right angle, which form the L-shaped pattern. For example, Ashwi. In the specific region, there are the other different villages pattern such as broad pattern, polygonic pattern, L pattern, T pattern, semicircular pattern, radial pattern and double linear. Most of the newly developed settlement have chessboard pattern in which car tract or lanes intersect each others at right angle. Thank you very much.